I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Milliman Global Corporate Services Legal Department, and they are looking for an administrative assistant. For this job, you'll be responsible for supporting the current internal billing processes. You'll be responsible for the initial review and allocation coding of vendor invoices. You'll be responsible for support leadership with data gathering and report generation. You will work closely with other department resources to complete daily assigned tasks. You'll be providing key support for the shared email inbox. You will seek opportunities to improve operational processes. And you'll perform additional administrative tasks as needed. Regarding the required skills and qualifications for this job, you must have a minimum of 3 years of experience working as an administrative assistant or something in a similar capacity. You must be highly proficient in Microsoft 365 Suite. You must be highly proficient in using Adobe Acrobat Pro. You must have the ability to take initiative and handle multiple priorities and deadlines. You must be reliable with the ability to follow through with expected duties and deadlines. You must have a strong focus on customer service. You must have excellent verbal and written communication etiquette. You must be resourceful, service-oriented, dependable, and tactful with the ability to learn quickly. You must have the ability to receive and provide feedback and integrate as appropriate. And you must have strong attention to detail. Regarding the preferred skills and qualifications they are looking for, they would like for you to have knowledge of the Concur Expense Management System, Concur Invoice System, and or counseling systems. And they would like for you to have intermediate knowledge of Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Now remember, these are preferred and not required. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include medical, dental, and vision coverage for employees and their dependents, including domestic partners, a 401k plan with matching program and profit sharing contribution, an employee assistance program, a discretionary bonus program, paid time off that starts accruing on the first day of work and can be used for any reason. Full-time employees will accrue 15 days of PTO per year. Family building benefits, including adoption and fertility assistance, and paid parental leave, up to 12 months for employees who have worked for Milliman for at least 12 months and have worked at least 1,250 hours in the preceding 12-month period. A minimum of 8 paid holidays. This company covers 100% of the premiums for life insurance, AD&D, and both short-term and long-term disability coverage. And flexible spending accounts that allow employees to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for dependent care, transportation, and applicable medical needs. The salary range for this role is from $47,000 to $89,000, and it depends on a combination of factors, including, but not limited to, education, relevant work experience, qualification skills, certifications, location, etc. This is a full-time, non-exempt role with eligibility for overtime after 40 hours of work per week. The expected application deadline for this job is February 28th, 2025. The next job is with Recovery Partners, and they're looking for an administrative specialist. Regarding the requirements for this job, previous experience with auto insurance or claims environments is preferred. Now remember, this is preferred and not required. Duties will include gathering accident documentation from client systems and communicating directly with insurance carriers and clients as needed. You must have strong typing skills. You must have experience with Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, and Excel. You must be able to master multiple client systems and applications. You must be tech savvy. You must have attention to detail and be organized. You must be a great multitasker and be able to prioritize. You must be flexible, adaptable, and willing to take on new tasks as needed. You must have professional communication skills, both written and verbal. And you must be comfortable working independently. In addition to this, you must have high-speed internet and a distraction-free workspace at home, and they will supply all equipment needed to work from home. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include a generous paid time off policy, which would be for 18 days per year, paid holidays, which will immediately take place upon hire, so you'll be given 7 standard holidays and 2 floating holidays of your choice. You'll be given medical, dental, and vision benefits that will be available after 60 days of employment, including sponsored life insurance policy. You'll be given a 401k with company matching, and you'll be able to work directly with your manager to find the schedule that works best for you. Please note that for this job, you must be able to pass a background check. This is a full-time, fully remote position with a salary up to $45,000, and it depends on experience. The next job is with Breakaway Financial Group, and they're looking for an administrative assistant. As an administrative assistant, you will handle inquiries, schedule meetings, and track task completion to ensure strategies are implemented effectively. Regarding the expected results for this job, company schedules, calendars, and tasks are consistently organized, updated, and managed with minimal oversight. Deadlines are met, and operational workflows run smoothly. Clients receive timely responses, organized pre-meeting materials, and seamless support during all interactions, resulting in high satisfaction and retention. Client records, internal reports, and project updates are meticulously maintained in CRM systems like ClickUp and are readily accessible when needed. All assigned tasks, including pre-meeting checklists, follow-ups, and document preparation, are completed on time and meet quality standards. Team members are supported with organized systems, communication, and proactive solutions, allowing them to focus on high-value activities. And it is also expected that the administrative assistant will spread the word about how they help their clients with their financial planning needs. Business development is the responsibility of the whole team. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have strong organizational and time management skills. You must have excellent written and verbal communication abilities. You must have attention to detail and be able to handle sensitive information confidentially. And you must be a self-starter with a proactive attitude. Regarding the preferred qualifications, they would like for you to have experience in the financial services or professional services industry. They would like for you to have knowledge of basic tax and financial terminology. And they'd like for you to be comfortable with project management tools and cloud-based systems. Now remember, these are preferred qualifications and not required qualifications. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a competitive salary and benefits, opportunities for professional growth and development, a supportive, collaborative team environment, and flexible virtual work arrangements. This is a full-time position with a starting pay of $15 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.